What's up guys, and in today's video we are going to show you how to write codes on JavaScript in Minecraft Education. So the first thing you need to do is click play, create new, which is going to create a new world, which you need to go creative, peaceful, world type flat, and show coordinates, and then go down there, cheats, and always day. Now you create the world, which is going to take some time, but it's going to be pretty quick because it's a flat world. I guess it's going to be pretty quick, right? Yeah, so create. So this is a flat world. There's a lot of cows there, so we need to go to 0, 0. Boom, we spawn our good friend Agent. So we are going to go to new project and name it house or whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want. First thing, we need to go to here, click JavaScript, and we're going to have a window pop up like this. Play on chat, and we're going to change this run for 1. So the next thing we're going to do to build a house is write blocks dot fill, and we're going to build it on bricks. So we write bricks. The material that you're building from needs to be all capital, otherwise it's not going to read it as material. So next thing, we are going to go a direction, for example 3, maybe like this. No, maybe even like this. So we're going to write we're going to do the world coordinates, so we're going to write world -3 -60 -2. So then we put a comma here, we write world. So then we go to another place, for example, it's going to be the opposite direction, just for example 2, like this. Yeah, that's going to go for it. So same place, just 3, 56, and 2. No, -56. So now we're going to have ourselves a box. Build it, type 1 in the chat, and it's not a house because it's not hollow. So we need to do something named fill operation. So we're going to go to the code again, and we're going to place another comma here. Then we write fill operation dot, and there's going to be 5 things that pop up. Replace, haul, outline, keep, and destroy. I don't know what these 3 mean, but I know that replace is how we get it now, which is just a square or cube, whatever you call it, and hollow, which is going to be hollow inside. So when we do this and do the command again, we are going to be in a hollow space. So we are going to build a door, for example, and the coordinates for the door are going to be these coordinates right here. Maybe you know what, let's put it on the other side, so it's going to be much better. So we're going to put it onto blocks dot place, which is another command, and here we just write, for example, dark oak door, and the comma there, we write world, and then we write our coordinates, which are minus 3, 59, 0. These are the coordinates for the door. Oh wait, blocks, like this. Then we go another one. Then we copy paste this. Dark oak, we replace it by brick stairs, and we're going to put them one block ahead, so here, so we can reach to our door. So we write minus 4. Oh wait, we need to write minus 60, and here minus 62. Oh wait, no, here we need to write minus 59. So now we have ourselves a door and stairs, some stairs to the door. One, and here we go. Have a door and some stairs. So the next thing we're going to do is build some windows. So we want the windows to be like, for example, the first window is going to be here. So we go from like this. So we write blocks fill, which is we're going to just copy paste that because of course we are coders and we are lazy. So we write here glass pane. Then here we write our coordinates, which is minus 1, 59. Here we write 58. Then minus 2, 0, and here we write minus 2. So you need to erase this because so like this, yes. So we write like this and boom. Now we have some light in our house. Then we're going to do a window here, which is going to be so we do those coordinates, which is going to be real quick like this. Copy paste that. So in 2 minus 59, 2. Oh wait, what am I writing? Wait, so 0. We need, instead of 0, it's going to be 1, and it's just going to be 2. So now we have one more window here, right? Yes, so we have a window there now. And we have an agent suffocating the blocks. So what we do is just go type here agent, and we choose the agent spawn egg. So what we can do is take it into the hand and go here and place our good friend engine right there, so he won't suffocate in the blocks. So the next thing we're going to do is, what do you think it is? Of course, it's adding a bed. So how we add a bed? By adding a bed, we just copy paste this real quick, and instead of brick stairs, we just write red bed. So we are going to, instead of that coordinates, we're going to write 2 minus 59 minus 1, because those are going to be the coordinates that we have right here, right? Or they are either one? No, yes, they are. So now we just do that, boom, and now we have a bed here. So the next thing we are going to do is place some chests. So the chests are going to be on the coordinates. Let's place them somewhere, for example, I don't know, maybe somewhere here. Yeah, let's place them like this. Yeah. So on these 2 blocks. So we write from minus 1. Of course we need to copy paste this. So we write from chests here to chest. So -1, 59, 1. Then we write, what do we write down? -1. Hey, come on. -2, yeah. So -2, 1, -2. Then we write here 1, and we're going to have some chests now. So, boom, and we have some chests. So the next thing we're going to do is just place a furnace and a crafting table. Yeah, why was I thinking some? So we're going to blocks place, copy paste that. So instead of red bed, we write furnace. So furnace, and we're going to write the coordinates with near the chest, which are 0, -59, oops, -1, right? No, wait, no, just 1, because the chests are on 1. So we're going to have a furnace here, and boom, a furnace appeared. Then we copy paste that, and we are going to have a crafting table now. So we just write crafting table, and it's going to appear right here. So only thing we need to do something else here is just instead of 9 we have an 8. So our house is now complete, but we need some decorations. So how the decorations going to be? I'm going to decorate all of that by hand. So I want some bookshelves, some normal bookshelves, of course. We're going to place them like this. So it's going to be a cool atmosphere, you know. Then they're probably going to reach here too, and we're going to have like a quick thing going around our entire house. Like this, yeah. But because of that, this chest is not going to be useful, I think. Yeah. So this chest is not going to do anything. So then, I think we're going to add a table here, so we just remove the bookshelf, we just get an oak fence. Wait, I didn't get it. Let's get an oak fence, then we got oak stairs, and we search for carpets. So carpet, and boom. So now we can build a table. I'm going to put the light gray carpet here. You can choose whatever color you want. I just like that one. And boom. So now we are pretty much complete. The only thing I want to place anymore is like this. Get a grass block, close the door, and I'm going to put a sapling here. For example, let's write sapling, and I'm going to place the cherry sapling because I like the most, and it's like really cool stuff. So, and here, what are we gonna place here? We are just going to place this, then replace this, then a pot. Oh wait, I don't think we can't put it, right? No, we cannot put it, so I'm just going to put it like that. Oh wait, that wasn't the spot. I think we can. No, we cannot. Oh wait, what? I just broke it. So we just put it like this. We put a carpet like this, and then we add another cherry sapling. So we have just done ourselves a good home. If you have already decorated it, just don't run the command again because it's going to reset everything you've built by hand in here because it's set to hollow right here. So it's going to erase everything there is. So don't run the command again. So we have a house right now, and yeah, I think we're good here. Thank you guys for watching. This was not a long video. It's really easy to build a house. Not a lot of things you need to do. If you're lazy, then I'm going to have this code in the description. And if you want to transfer this code to a friend, just click on this button. This is the project title, share project. Then you're going to copy this link and send whenever you want. So thank you guys for watching. Bye and see you in the next video. And also subscribe to watch more videos.